Muscle and Moore's Lawn Care.
What's up, guys? What's up? Rashad here, Muscle and Mowers Lawn Care. I'm at one of my clients' house this morning. I got a feeling a few of y'all that have been following us for a while on YouTube and Instagram might remember this yard. This was a yard that we did a pretty big cleanup on a few months back, and I'm out here today doing some work to it, and I wanted to just check in with you guys and update you on the progress to let you know what's going on here. And so this section right here, my client used to have a pool that was removed, but it was about 4 feet, maybe 5 feet deep. So we brought in a couple yards of fill dirt, put that down, graded the entire backyard. Used to be a fire pit here. We removed that. That back corner over there was a mound of dirt. So that got graded in with everything else. There was stumps along the fence line that we had grinded out, and I didn't do a lot of that work. Like I said, it pays to have friends in the industry, right? So a buddy of mine, he has a tractor and he does all of that kind of work. He's set up for that. That's not really what we do. We are a company whose main thing is lawn maintenance, right? That's what we focus on. So I'm not too concerned with these kind of jobs. I'm not concerned with trying to do every single thing myself to try to make every dollar that I can. It's not important to me. What's important to me is just getting the job done. So luckily, I have connections with people that, I was able to sub a lot of this work out. So, had my guy come in, he graded the yard. We brought in about 4 yards of compost. And so after the yard was graded, actually after the yard was graded, we put the very first seed application down. And so we're seeding this yard with fescue. And this is a time of year, September, where you want to be seeding fescue, doing aeration, seeding, things like that of your cooler season grasses, with fescue being one of them. So on this yard, we went with the over-under application of seed. So once the yard was graded, we put down the first seed application. Then the compost was brought in, spread out some with the tractor. And then I came in today and spread the rest of it out really thin with a landscaping rake. So this is the top dressing of compost. And so after I spread it over the yard, I put that second seed application down. And so now I am watering everything in for my client. I'm doing the first watering on the lawn, trying to figure out where is the best positions for the sprinkler. And this, by the way, is a sprinkler and a hose that I provided for my client. Why did I do that? Because I want this grass to grow. All right. I try to protect my clients' investments. So, their yard is an investment. They spent money on trying to get it right. So, if I got to throw in a hose or a sprinkler here and there, I'll do it because I want the grass to grow and I want it to look nice. All right, and they appreciate that. So yeah, so that's that. Also too, for those of you that caught our Instagram story, I've been breaking windows left and right this week. Broke a couple windows. I had a day where, and I know what I did wrong, but I had a day where I got kind of careless out there. I think I was a little fatigued, and so the normal things that I do when I'm edging the lawn using a trimmer, for whatever reason that day, I just didn't do it. Typically when I'm edging and I'm going towards the house, I make it a point to keep the trimmer shooting in the direction towards the street, to avoid breaking windows and things like that. But that day, don't ask me why, but I didn't do it twice. Didn't do it twice. But the good news is we have business insurance, and that's what that's for, right? So I had never, it's not the first window I broke, all right? So I'll go ahead and put that out there, but it had been over a year since something like that, had happened. And times previous, I just came out of pocket and took care of it. But this time I actually got some advice from one of my buddies in lawn care, and so I called to file a claim and didn't have to pay any deductible, so that's being handled. Everything's good with that, but it pays to have insurance, and I'm, like I said, I'm glad we got it. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to check in. Hope everybody's having a great Saturday. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Thanks for watching our video.